Welcome to ICRA and to this video. I'm Alberto Olivares Alarcos and I want to talk to you about robot explanatory narratives of collaborative and adaptive experiences. Would you like to know more? Then watch and listen. We envision trustworthy robots that collaborate with humans and are able to adapt to unexpected situations. That is the reason why, in a previous work, we formalized the notion of collaboration and plan adaptation so that robots could model and reason about the collaborative and adaptive experience they have. Collaboration was defined as an event in which a human and a robot share a goal and share and execute a plan. Plan adaptations were defined as events in which a robot with a goal is executing a plan to achieve that goal until something unexpected happens. Then, the initial plan is no longer good enough and a new plan is executed. In this article, we want to go further and provide an answer to how robots could construct the narrative of their collaborative and adaptive experiences, and also how the specificity or detail of those narratives affects the perception of humans about how useful the provided information is. The first contribution of this work is technical and integrates an existing framework for episodic memories and the ontology OCRA. It is also proposed a novel algorithm to generate explanatory narratives from the knowledge stored in the episodic memory and with different levels of detail. These two contributions together are part of the methodology named SHONCRA. Finally, we carry out a pilot study with 30 participants who were requested to watch video of a collaborative task in which the robot narrated events using different levels of detail. The methodology SHONCRA proposes to run a collaborative task and generate the knowledge of finished events to be stored in an episodic memory using the ontology OCRA. Finally, the narratives are generated using the ontological knowledge and the algorithm action. Our initial guess or hypothesis was that some of the generated types of robot narratives would enhance human understanding of robots' behaviors. Actually, one of the positive findings of the pilot study is that all the narratives produced by SHONCRA can help and be useful to understand robot behaviors. The most preferred level of detail was the second one, specifically when users care about the appropriate amount and the interpretability of the narratives. However, participants prefer larger narratives in order to grasp a better understanding of the robot experiences. Hence, the methodology can address different preferences with respect to different trade-offs. For instance, appropriate amount versus understandability. Imagine that you want to know more about SHONCRA and you will attend ICRA this year. Well, I will be in London the 1st of June in the afternoon poster session to answer any of your questions, so come to visit. You may also scan the QR code from the screen and discover more about robot explanatory narratives. Enjoy life and be happy.